Hey, what's up everyone? These are the XVX PBT wood styled keycaps. So these look like wood, they're not real wood. I'm gonna unbox them real quick and then pop it on this keyboard and play with them. So here they look in the box. Obviously they look just like wood. So this is more of a faux wood. I know wood can be expensive. You got a couple trays here. I think you got 3, I'm guessing. Yeah, you got 3 trays and a keycap puller. What I'm gonna do now is just pop them on this keyboard. This is our servo switches. This is GK61. And then I'll talk about it and play some games. So yeah, here we go. They're finished. It's a very dark looking kind of keyboard. I do actually like the feel of them. So like I said, they're not wood. They don't feel like wood. They just feel like a sort of dry PBT keycap, which I do like. Profile is pretty flat, just from what I can tell. So usually I like the kind of curved profile, but I'm gonna play with them a little bit more. Obviously I just put these on, so I can't really say too much. I'm gonna play some games and I'll be right back. So I've used these for a couple weeks now on and off, and they're definitely an interesting keycap. So they do look cool. The wood is definitely interesting. It's not a perfect design. And like I said, these aren't real wood, but a problem that I have with them is it's really hard to see the legend. It's really hard to see all the characters. So that's a problem I kind of had with them. And they don't really look that great with RGB. I mean, it's kind of interesting. That's not actually that bad, but I probably just wouldn't use them because they're not shine through, obviously. So like I said, they kind of have this like flat profile. They're not curved up like a normal keycaps I would. But they feel good. I like the little kind of indents that your fingers can rest when you're using them. So I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, we'll listen to a sound test real quick as well. So yeah, they sound fine on any keyboard. I'm probably not going to be using these too much, but I think they're just a definitely cool looking option. So if you need something quick and these for whatever reason are the right kind of color tone for your setup, the wood setup, then go for it. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.